Hi, welcome to 2-Minute Writing Tips. Today we're going to talk about how to get back into a story that you've been working on if you took a long break from it. Now, we all know that this is not an ideal situation to find yourself in. Just about everyone you ask will tell you that one of the keys to being a successful writer is consistency. And we all have that intention when we set out to write a book. But sometimes life happens. People get sick, or some kind of crisis arises at work, or you find yourself having to move to another part of the country or across the world. There is an endless number of things that can turn our lives upside down. Eventually, though, things do calm down and the dust settles, and we are once again in a position of being able to work on our story. But how exactly do we do that? Do you open up your document and just pick up from where you left off? Or do you start from the beginning? For me, the answer lies somewhere in the middle. I don't fly by the seat of my pants when I'm writing a book, but I don't do detailed plotting either. So the first thing I do is read my scene-by-scene outline to remind myself which direction I was heading in. Then I read whatever I wrote in the book itself. Once I have read what I wrote, I evaluate the story so far and I ask myself if it still works. I could spot a problem in the plot that I previously missed, or I have some brilliant idea that's better than the original plan, or I may have some life experience that changes my perspective. Case in point, my current work in progress touches on a global pandemic. I started this story pre-COVID, and after life forced me to take a break, I was able to seamlessly weave COVID into my storyline. My message in all of this is that it doesn't do any harm to deviate from your original plan when you're coming back from a break. You may be able to use that break to your advantage. That's it for today. I'll see you tomorrow.